Not all farm equipment is built the same, and one of the biggest choices farmers make is whether to use hydraulic or mechanical systems. I'm Jonathan Redding, and I've worked with both. Each has its advantages, and knowing the differences can help you make the best decision. Hydraulic equipment is all about power and ease of use. It operates using pressurized fluid, which makes tasks like lifting, steering, and braking smooth and efficient. Many of today's tractors and harvesters use hydraulic systems because they handle heavy work with minimal effort. The downside? Hydraulic systems require regular maintenance. If a leak or pressure failure occurs, repairs can get expensive fast. Mechanical equipment, on the other hand, is built for reliability. These systems use gears, pulleys, and shafts to transfer power. They may take more effort to operate, but they're known for their durability and are often easier to fix. Farmers who work in rugged environments tend to prefer mechanical machinery because it holds up well under tough conditions. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your farm's needs. Hydraulics are great for efficiency and precision, while mechanical systems are dependable and lower maintenance. The key is finding the right balance for your operation.